A company switched from Zapier to n8n last year. Their automation bill went from $3,000 a year to almost zero. Same workflows, same results, 90% cheaper. That story is not unusual. Businesses switching to n8n after reporting cost reductions of 70 to 90%. n8n raised $180 million in late 2025 at a $2.5 billion valuation. Usage grew 10 times in a single year. Most people outside of tech have never heard of it. Today, what n8n is, why it is different, and what you can build with it, even if you're not technical. I am Mario, this is AI by Mario. Let us get into it. n8n is a workflow automation tool. You do the same things every week on your computer. Copy data, send the same email, move information between apps. n8n automates all of that. Visual workflow like a flowchart connecting your apps. When this happens in app A, do this in app B. Then send it to app C. The difference from Zapier, Zapier charges per operation. 10,000 actions in a month, you pay for 10,000 actions. n8n lets you self-host. Run on your own server. 10,000 actions, 1 million actions, cost does not change. And in 2026, n8n added a full AI agent built in. Your automations can now read, understand, decide, and respond using Claude, ChatGPT, or any other AI model. 5 things people are building with n8n right now. Number 1, AI email manager. Every email read by AI, classified, draft reply written, routed automatically before you even open your inbox. 2, content repurposing machine. Publish a YouTube video, n8n detects it, AI writes LinkedIn post, Instagram caption, tweet, email newsletter, all saved as drafts. What took 2 hours, it's now automatic. Number 3, lead qualifier. Form submission received, AI researches company. Scores lead from 1 to 10. High scores get immediate personalized email, low scores go into nurture. You only talk to the people worth talking to. Number 4, competitive intelligence monitor. Checks competitors daily. AI analyzes what's changed. Daily briefing in your inbox. Number 5, automated weekly report. Pulls data from your spreadsheets and projects tools every Monday. AI formats it, sends to your team before anyone gets to their desk. Which tool should you use? Never automated anything before? Start with Zapier. Simplest. Hit the cost ceiling or want AI agents? Move to n8n. Most people who make the switch never go back. How to start? Go to n8n.io. Free cloud trial. No credit card. First workflow to build. Email classifier. Trigger new email in Gmail. AI node, classify as sales, support, or general. Route sales to spreadsheet, support to task, general to archive. 20 minutes to build, saves 20 minutes every single day. Start there, add complexity once the simple version works. n8n is the tool that makes AI actually do things in your business. Not just chat, do things. What repetitive task would you automate first? Drop it in the comments. I will tell you exactly how to build it. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.